Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to unbox my second diamond painting, again from Amazon. The other stuff hasn't come in from China yet. Stick around and we'll see what happens. Hey guys, welcome back to Hello Queen Crafting. I am Rebecca, your Hello Queen, and I've got another diamond painting unboxing. I have actually gotten a fair bit into the Halloween kitty. As you can see, I'm more than halfway done. And all of the ones that I ordered from China, which is all of the rest of them, are still in transit. Some of them haven't even left China yet. So I'm like, well, I kind of need another one to do. So I found this one. It fits my sensibilities. I have a feeling my daughter's probably going to want to have it in her room, actually. But it was on Amazon, and it was only going to take a couple of days to get here. So I I went ahead and bought it. It was $17.98, I believe. I ordered it on the 11th, and it came in today, the 13th. Again, it shipped some point overnight and got here. It shipped at some point overnight and got here a day earlier than they initially had anticipated. I do live close to a distribution center, so they do tend to. That's not uncommon for them to say it'll be here this day, and it actually shows up a day before. So here we are. Let's take a look and see what's in this one. I actually remembered to cover up my address this time. Sorry about the blocky. There we go. Alright, that's all that's in there. So get that packaging out of the way. Okay. So it says it is DIY 5D fashion diamond painting. .30 by 40. This was also advertised as a 12 by 16 or 30 by 40, so that I was not expecting any different. 5D diamond painting, full castle eagle. Yeah, it calls it an eagle, but it's definitely an owl. There's a definite Harry Potter vibe about this one. Packaging here. Okay. Again, clear cover. A lot of purples in this one. First, let's take a look at the canvas. Okay, so yeah, same size as before. Our 5D diamond painting. The key is a little bit cut off on the edge there. You can still see the symbols, but it's obviously not cut straight, which is a little disappointing. Let's see, does it have the lip on there? Yeah, it's still got a lip around there, so I'm inclined to think that this was made with what's called mounting transfer tape. So even though it is a clear cover, I do think it's that what's on it is actually a double-sided adhesive. I didn't check this before. Yeah, the bubbles that I'm seeing are not rivers. Oh, there's a diamond. That looks like one of the colors I was using last night, so that's probably what's on my table. I don't see any rivers. Canvas is a little bit wrinkled from being rolled up, but I don't see any rivers in the adhesive at all. For those of you who are new like me, rivers are bubbles in the adhesive effectively. It means the adhesive isn't all the way stuck down to the canvas, and they have to. I am seeing wrinkles, but they appear to just be in the cover, which doesn't affect the quality of the painting at all. I have not run into any with Halloween cat, which is good. And I don't see any here. Those images, they're all pretty darn clear. They look very similar to what I've been working on. But we got the moon here. There's supposed to be a castle up in here, although that's kind of hard to tell on there. And then there's a candle here with a magic wand and glasses on top of a heavy book. So you can see what I was talking about definite Harry Potter vibes. This is not a branded Harry Potter product, but symbolically very similar. It's got some instructions down here at the bottom. Basic diamond painting instructions. But overall, other than being cut off the canvas a little bit, I'm a little disappointed with that, but it is what it is. Okay. So again, bog standard kit, your green boat, your wax, your diamond painting pen, still no multi-placer, still don't have one of those. Hopefully one of the paintings, the other, I think 14 paintings that I have coming will have a multi-placer, because I've got some big ones coming. These ones aren't too big. The ones I have coming are pretty big. Okay. Look at these drills. Okay, once again, it looks like I have no DMC numbers. Yeah, 7x7, I wouldn't be surprised if that is the number of the canvas. Yes, W7x7 is the code for the canvas. So, some pretty purples. 4 different colors of purple there. So again, no DMC numbers. These look very similar, sort of reddish. A couple more purples, very similar. No? Dark blue, pink, brown. That's sort of a peachy. Another purple. This is going to be very purple. A couple of different orangey beige colors. Brown. There's a lot of this gray and this brown here. Wow. There's 2 different gray. This one's a little darker. 5. There's 3 packs of 5. That looks like black. Then sort of a peachy pink. More of a dusty rose. Yet another purple. And a more straight up pink. Pretty good. Okay. Did I have my measuring tape to hand? Yes, I do. Again, disappointed there's no DMC codes. I didn't make this clear on the last diamond painting unboxing, but the reason why DMC codes would be important, or could be important, is if there was a problem with the drills. If I found that the quality of these drills was not good, or I wasn't sent enough of them, like either there was an entire color missing, or I got through all of these red ones here, for example, and I still had symbols for that red color. If there was a DMC color on it, I could go on any website that sells stuff for diamond painting and buy more drills in that color, and they would send it. There is sometimes a slight difference in dye lots, kind of like how your computer screen doesn't always show exactly the right color that the item's going to be, but for the most part, it would be pretty close. Without the DMC numbers, however, if for whatever reason there's a problem with these drills, I'm kind of screwed. but I haven't had a problem yet. I'm not running low on drills for the cat yet, so here's hoping that that's a theoretical problem and remains theoretical. Okay, I am a little concerned about this one being kind of off center. That might make it difficult to frame when I come down to it. Okay, so once again, the canvas that's more of 11.5 than 12 inches all the way across. So more like 29 centimeters. 29.5 centimeters versus 30. And going the long way, the canvas is a little short of 16, but is right on 40. So about 15 3/4. The drill field, and I didn't explain that well enough in the first video, but diamond, the terms are interchangeable for these diamond drills. Sometimes they even call them beads, these little guys that go on your painting. Diamonds and drills gets fairly often interchanged. Some people call them beads, some people have other names for them, but diamond and drill are pretty interchangeable. 9 3/4 inches, maybe an eighth less. 24.5 centimeters, maybe 24.6 centimeters across, and lengthwise, right up there, 34.5 centimeters and 13.5 inches, maybe a little more. So again, they're advertising the canvas, but even in this case, the canvas is a little smaller than what's advertised. So it's close, but I wouldn't call it exactly as advertised. We'll have to see. Okay, yeah, I think the castle may show up better than I thought, because the symbols here, this looks blue and then this looks black. It's hard to see here, but it may come out better once we actually get diamonds on the painting. But overall, I got pretty much, these are very similar. There's no picture for me to show you anywhere on here to see what the finished image is. But yes, castle, moon, there's some like clouds and stuff here. This is a candle here, a book, a wand, and some glasses with the owl here. They call it an eagle. It's not an eagle. That's definitely an owl. Probably just trying to distance themselves from Harry Potter, because trademark. But I still think this is one that my oldest daughter, who's obsessed with Harry Potter, will probably want to steal when it's finished, or maybe even before it's finished. She's been kind of at my shoulder when I've been doing these. So I'm still happy with it. I could be happier, and put it that way. Alright, hopefully you liked what you saw here. And like the video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you want to see more. I've got a bunch of other videos that are going to be coming. I even got some planned that aren't diamond painting. And I will see you in the next one.